If you've ever spent way too long trying to figure out how to create charts in Excel, trust me, I've been there. But today, I'm going to show you something that's going to save you a ton of time. We're going to use Claude AI inside Excel to build charts automatically just by typing what we want. Let's get into it. Okay, so I've got this Excel file open. It has 12 months of sales data for 3 products. This is the file we're going to use today, and I'll link it in the description so you can follow along with the exact same data. Now, to open Claude in Excel, just look for the Claude button in your ribbon up here. Click it and the panel opens right here on the side. If you don't see it, make sure you have the Claude add-in installed. So here's where the magic happens. I'm just going to type a simple prompt telling Claude exactly what I want. I'll say, create a bar chart showing product A, product B, and product C monthly sales for all 12 months. Use the data in columns A through D. Give each product a different color and add a title that says monthly product sales comparison. And then hit enter. And just like that, Claude reads my data and builds the chart. No clicking through menus, no formatting headaches. Done. Now here's what I really love. I don't have to start over. I can just ask Claude to do something extra with it, so I'll type a follow-up. Sort the bar chart so the month with the highest total sales appears first and the lowest appears last. And just like that, Claude reorders the chart from the best performing month down to the lowest. Super useful when you want to quickly spot your top months at a glance. For our last chart, I want to see how each product contributed to the full year of sales. So let's do a pie chart. I'll type create a pie chart using the total sales row at the bottom of my table. Show each product's share of total annual sales. Label each slice with the product name and its percentage. Title it Annual Sales Share by Product. And there we go, a pie chart that breaks down exactly how much each product contributed to the year. You can instantly see which product is leading. This is perfect for any kind of summary, slide, or report. And that's it. In just a few prompts, we built 2 professional charts from scratch. No complicated menus, no manual formatting. Claude handles it all. The sample file I used is linked in the description below. Download it and try these exact prompts yourself. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe because I've got more Claude AI tutorials coming very soon. See you in the next one.